Dear students, hope you are doing well, staying at home and keeping yourself and your beloved ones safe during this very tough and critical situation of COVID-19 pandemic. Friends, at the very outset, I welcome you all for this first online but an orientation session of this academic year 2020-21. Friends, Swami Vivekananda rightly used to say that education is the manifestation of the divine perfection which is already exist in man. It means that the insights for new learning are already there in human beings, mind, body, and heart of the learners. A teacher can just illuminate those already existing insights among the students. Through these couple of online videos, I will be dealing with the same. So I welcome one and all in this fortunate and novel way of teaching and learning, unfortunately brought by COVID-19 pandemic. Friends, you are the students of last year of graduation in arts. You will be called Bachelor of Arts in your respective special subjects once you will successfully pass this last year of BA. Let me point out the structure of this year. You will be having six subjects. Number one, compulsory English. Number two, general paper three. Number three, special paper three. Number four, special paper four, and two general subjects that you have opted in SYBA. I will be dealing with compulsory English for both the terms, first as well as second term. The text prescribed for compulsory English is Literary Pinnacles. The full title of this text is Literary Pinnacles, an anthology of prose and poetry. It is published by Orient Black Swan and edited by the Board of Editors, including Dr. Ashok Saskar, Dr. Sanjay Pagare, Mr. Dr. Maschindra Varpe, and Dr. Prakash Pandey. These four people have taken a lot of efforts to give an academic touch to this text that is Literary Pinnacles. Just have a look of this beautiful front page of your text of TYBA Compulsory English, Literary Pinnacles, an anthology of prose and poetry. Uh, the word pinnacle means the most successful, highest point of success. So you will be at the pinnacle once you mug up, once you understand the components in this text that is Literary Pinnacles. The objectives for which are set by the board of editors for Literary Pinnacles are to introduce students to the best uses of language in literature. It means that you are going to be acquainted with the finest use of language used by the literary artists in their respective forms of literature, prose, and poetry. Second objective is to familiarize students with the communicative power of English. Ultimate goal of teaching English is to develop communicative ability, communicative skills among the students. So you will be able to interact effectively in English uh, after this year. uh, Objective number three is to enable students to become competent users of English in real life situations. The functional use of language, English language, is one of the objectives of this text, Literary Pinnacles. In the coming sessions, you will be acquainted, you will be offered with some situations in real life situations where you can interact in English effectively. Objective number four, to expose students to varied cultural experiences through literature. When we go through the contents of the text, you will come to know that uh, the items of prose and poetry are selected, across the globe, we can say. So through their prose and poetry, the literary artists are expressing their cultural experiences that will be transferred uh, among the students, among you. So you will get varied cultural experiences through these pieces of literature. And last but not the least, which is very important, I personally think that to contribute to their overall personality development by improving their communicative and soft skills. The word soft skills perhaps is not new to you, because in our college, KTHM College, we have a separate soft skills development cell where the training of soft skills is given to the last year students of arts, science, commerce, BCS, BBA, and all the faculties the last years in our college. Fortunately, or rather, I must say that I'm dealing, or I'm looking after soft skills development cell. And once we will come back to our on our campus, when we meet on our campus, maintaining the social distance, uh, I will let you know about the scheme of soft skills development, which is initiated by the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So these are the 5 objectives you are going to be acquainted with through this text. Friends, the Text Literary Pinnacles is divided into two broad sections. First one is literature components, and the second one is language components. In literature components, you have two elements of literature, two forms of literature. First one is prose. You have 8 proses in the entire year. First four proses for first term, and remaining 4 for the second term. Same is the case with poetry section. First 4 poems for first term, and remaining 4 poems for second term. In language components, you have 4 elements. Number one is transformation of sentences, in which you are prescribed with 4 elements. Second one is an introduction to communication skills, 4 elements. Presentation skills, 5 elements. And introduction to soft skills, 6 elements. Let me clear it before going to the next slide, that in the language components you have only number 1 and number 2, that is transformation of sentences and an introduction to communication skills, in the first term. Remaining 2, that is presentation skills and introduction to soft skills, are reserved for the second term. Okay, so 4 proses, 4 poems, and transformation of sentences and introduction to communication skills. This is your syllabus of first term of compulsory English. So these are the 4 proses prescribed you for the first term. Number one is Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture. Uh, uh, it is by Jerome K. Jerome, who is a very famous English writer and humorist. So the first prose is Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture. Number two, how how much wealth how wealth accumulates and men decay. It is written by GB Shaw. He is one of the very famous Irish playwrights, critic, polemicist, and political activist. So GB Shaw is a name needless to introduce to the students, because you know him well. Prose number 3 is a retrieved information, written by O. Henry. Actually, O. Henry is a pen name of William Sidney Porter. He is a renowned American short story writer. And the last prose in the first term is How Much Land Does a Man Need, written by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. So this is a case of the first section, that is prose of first term. Four prose is prescribed for the first term. And now let us switch over to the poetry section of the first term. I am talking about only first term syllabus. Okay, when we meet for the second term, I will again come with a second term orientation, where you will be introduced with the second term syllabus. So this is a section of poetry where you are prescribed with 4 poems. Number one is All the World is a Stage, by a great man of literature, English literature, William Shakespeare. He is an English poet and English playwright and a great actor as well. Second poem, La Belle Dame Sans Mercy, composed by John Keats, one of the English romantic poets, a famous romantic poet. Poem number 3, The Charge of the Light Brigade, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Tennyson was a British poet and poet laureate during the during the governance of Queen Victoria. And the last poem is How Do I Love Thee, uh, written by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Uh, Barrett Browning she is an English poet of the Victorian era. Uh, I must say that only one female writer, female poetess is prescribed you, or her poem is prescribed you. Remaining three poems are from the male writers. So women representation is always there in in your syllabus. So this is the case for the poetry and the prose section. Okay, so you will, and this next case is of the transformation of sentences. You are prescribed with four elements under transformation of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So these are four types of transformation of sentences you will be acquainted in the first term. And the very important one, communication skills. Four elements: defining communication, process of communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, and tips for effective communication. So this is your syllabus. I have oriented you for you in this video. uh, if you ask me what is your role in the first teaching and learning, online teaching and learning sessions, so I must say that you should be an active attendant. Okay, I don't want you to just attend the sessions, but active attendant, because in the videos you will be given some assignments, some tests, some questions, and you must be proactive. Okay, you must not be only a listener, but you must perform a role of a proactive listener during the sessions. You must take participation in almost all possible exercises, activities during the sessions. You should give response to the tasks given by the teachers in the in the videos. And last but not the least, ask questions. Do not go ahead with confusion. Confusion always hurts. Confusion lags you behind. So I must say that you should ask questions, because asking the question is the only way to generate the knowledge. Okay. When the Newton saw the apple falling on the ground, he asked a question: why down? Why not up? And the result, it has resulted into the law of gravity. So just ask the questions and make your doubts clear. So we are here to solve your problems. Then, if you ask me what is my role, means the teacher role in online teaching and learning, teacher will be a mediator. I will be a mediator between you and the literary pinnacle. Okay, so the text, I'll be the mediator between you and the text. Okay, I'll help you, I'll facilitate you. So I'll be a facilitator, I'll be an assistant to you to understand the text, to carry out the objectives, the five objectives set by the board of editors. And above all, I'll be your friend. So you can ask me, so you can share your problems, your difficulties, and your doubts to me regarding the text, regarding the soft skills, regarding the psychological upheavals that you are going during these days. So I'll be assisting you, I'll be helping you in your problems. Friends, you should always understand, also you should always remember that there is only one difference between you and me. Although I'm a teacher, I'm a professor of English. There is only one difference between you and me, and the difference is, you are doing your graduation, I have already done it. Okay, the only difference, you are acquiring your degree, and I have already acquired it. The only difference between you and me, and let us go ahead with this difference, and let us become one with the text literary pinnacles. So friends, always remember that you are very fortunate, because you are the part of the higher education in India. And the survey says that the GER, that is gross enrollment ratio of higher education in India, is just 26.3%, means less than 30%. You are one of those 26.3% gems of Indian youth who are given the chance and opportunity to get higher education. So you should be very proud, you should be always grateful having a chance to get higher education. So this is an opportunity to you to prove yourself. So I expect that you should prove yourself that you are those fortunate uh, gems of India, I must say. So grab this opportunity and become successful in your life. So since this is online learning and teaching session, uh, going through this video, you can speak, you can ask, or you can suggest uh, through the comment box of this video. I will go through your comments, and I will try my level best to solve your problems to difficulties. For more information, for more help, you can contact me the number on the number given on the slide. The email ID is also given. You can drop a mail to my inbox. I will reply to your doubt, to your difficulty, to your problem. Once again, I urge you, I request you that you should visit my channel, YouTube channel with a name Tushar Patil KTHM College, and comment and share the videos. Okay, thank you very much.